Huh. PewDiePie. Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of iCraft, and today we will be making superhero snowflakes. This could just be because the new Captain Marvel movie is coming out, or it could just be something to celebrate prematurely the new Endgame movie. Either way, we are still getting over that Infinity War trauma. So, we are going on fun.com because they have really cool printable snowflakes that you can just cut out. But, since we are a DIY channel, I will be making one snowflake free-handed by trying to draw the pattern that is on the website, and then I'll print some off and then we'll compare and rate to see which one's better. Alright, let's get crafting. So from what it looks like, you get a sheet of paper and make it into a square. So I remember back from my origami days in the 4th grade, you kind of do it like that, you fold it. If you haven't seen my giant DIY origami, please look at that right there. So we're just going to cut along the edges. Then we have the perfect square. So this one's the Avengers logo. Here it shows you want to fold in half like this. Then you're going to want to fold it in half again. Fold it again. Alright, and so we'll be cutting where the paper is up, the angle's this way, and the folds are on this side. And we'll just be cutting along, and we're just going to see how it turns out. Okay, so this is what I have. So we're just going to cut out. So on the printable, it has the gray part is where you cut out. But here, we're just going to cut out these spots. Accidentally cut off the bottom, but that's okay. This is all an experiment. Alright, doesn't look too bad. I cut off the leg of the A though. Is my Avengers logo snowflake. It doesn't look bad. Except for the middle is missing and part of a leg. A 4 out of 10. Next one we will do is a Captain America snowflake pattern. Alright, I'm gonna draw the pattern again and we'll cut it out and see how it looks. Alright, here I have the end result. Let's see. Oh, this one looks way better. The star. Oh, that looks... It looks better than the Avengers one. Nothing fell out this time. It actually kind of looks like a snowflake. And there we have it, guys. Just look at that wonderful double star. Alright, since they don't have any actual Captain Marvel snowflakes on their website, we're gonna do Spider-Man, because, you know... Also, the new Spider-Man movie's coming out soon. So we're going to do the same process we've done for all of them by freehanding and then comparing it at the very end. Alright, let's get to it. Here's the final result of the Spider-Man one. And so this will be the final one. And now it will go print out the PDFs from the website and we'll compare. Alright guys, now here I have the pattern and we are going to do the one that the website has on theirs. So we'll cut around the black edges and then we'll cut out the gray once we folded it all. So the first one I will be doing will be the Avengers. Alright, let's get to it. Now that I have it folded, you just cut out the gray. Alright, now let's see the printable one. Alright, here is printable snowflake, it automatically looks way better than the one I did. The patterns were just easier to cut out because they were already in proportion, but I'm saying mine doesn't look too bad. It's just not really a snowflake. So this one obviously wins. And let's go to the next one. The next one will be the Captain America. Alright, so this is the one I made with the template, and this is the one I made by hand. You can kind of tell the one I made by hand was a little bit bigger, but the stars on this one look way better. One is 7. Okay, now here I have the printable Spider-Man snowflake. Okay, this one looks really awesome. You can really get the details, and you can actually see the people, whereas mine, it looks okay. But this one's obviously better. So I think this one is a 9 out of 10. So obviously, if you guys want to go online and make a few of these, just to get in spirit for the new endgame, go ahead and do so. Knock yourself out. Decorate your entire house with these. It's so much fun to make, and it will definitely get you in the winter spirit. Make sure you take advantage of these superhero snowflake PDFs I put in the link in the description, and make sure to like and subscribe to May Paris for more iCraft. See you guys later.